Dreamy. Taste.
Hey friends!
Today we are drawing a house!
Yay!
Let's get started! We will start by drawing the walls of the house. For that, we will draw a big box. Now we will draw the roof. We will draw it in the form of a triangle. It's time to draw a chimney! Now we will draw a door! Let's draw 2 windows. At last, we will draw bushes around the house. Coloring time! We will start by coloring the roof.
Yellow. Green. Orange.
Now we will color the chimney yellow and red. It's time to color the door brown. Now we will color the windows blue. After the windows, we will color the wall yellow. At last, we will color the bushes around our house dark green.
And it's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.